Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade bread and butter pickles. First, gather your fresh ingredients like crisp cucumbers, sweet onions, and vibrant bell peppers. These form the delicious base of our recipe. Next, we'll prepare a simple yet flavorful brine using common pantry staples. Finally, we'll combine everything to create those irresistible tangy and sweet pickles you'll love. Now, let's get our vegetables ready. Start by thoroughly washing about 3 pounds of pickling cucumbers, then slice them into uniform 1/8-inch rounds. Next, thinly slice 1 large onion and 1 vibrant red bell pepper. Combine all these sliced vegetables in a large bowl with 1/4 cup of pickling salt. Let this mixture sit for approximately 3 hours. This crucial step draws out excess water, ensuring your pickles stay crisp. Next up, the heart of our pickles, the brine. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of apple cider vinegar with 2 cups of granulated sugar. Stir in 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of celery seeds, and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric for that classic color and flavor. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 5 minutes, ensuring all the sugar fully dissolves. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. First, thoroughly drain your vegetable mixture and give it a quick, light rinse with cold water. Tightly pack the drained vegetables into clean pint jars, leaving about 1/2 inch of headspace. Carefully pour the hot brine over the vegetables, making sure they are completely submerged. For shelf stability, process these jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. Then, enjoy your delicious homemade pickles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.